Sairam to all of you. Welcome to our class.
Sairam ma'am.
We will start a class with Omkara. Join your hands and sit straight. Sairam. Yes. तो मैम ने जो असाइनमेंट होमवर्क दिए थे, you have completed. Raise your hands if you have completed. I sent one homework in WhatsApp group. Did you complete that work in your notebook? Very good. Afterwards, I sent answer sheet to check your answer. Did you check your answer? Good. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes, Siddharth, unmute your mic. Siddharth, unmute your mic.
Yes ma'am.
कोई डाउट है बेटा? Completed your work?
No ma'am, मुझे कोई डाउट नहीं है.
Complete किया वर्क आपने?
Yes ma'am.
Very good. So today we will see one more video. So it will be clear to you. जिसका मिस हो गया था, कुछ बच्चे एब्सेंट थे. So again today we are watching one video. So those have missed previous video, they can understand the concept of this chapter, long and short. Okay. For that I am sharing my screen. Mansi, unmute your mic
Yes ma'am.
and give me response. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Is it visible, Mansi?
Yes ma'am, visible.
Okay. Voice is coming.
Kids, today we will.
Voice is coming, Mansi.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Look at carefully. I'll ask the question from this video.
Learn about what is centimeter and why it is used. Chanda was so happy after learning from Appu. Kids, today we will learn about what is centimeter and why it is used. Chanda was so happy after learning from Appu about measuring length of things. She started measuring the length of everything with a rope. One day, when Appu came to her house to eat, he saw that Chanda has made a pile of ropes in the corner of her house. And on every rope, something like the name of TV, table, spoon, etc. was written. Appu was shocked to see this. When he asked Chanda, she told him that she had measured the length of various objects in her house with the help of ropes. Oh, Appu laughed. He asked Chanda a question.
Suppose if you are outside the house and you have to measure the length of something, and if you don't have any rope, what would you do?
Chanda thought for a while, but had no answer to Appu's question. Appu then asked her another question.
If you want to tell the length of an object to someone, and that person is not in front of you, then tell me, how will you tell him the length of the object?
Chanda also had no answer to this question of Appu. Do you have answer to these questions of Appu? No, no problem. Come, see what Appu is telling Chanda about these questions. Appu told Chanda that she can solve all these problems in a very easy way with the help of centimeters. Chanda could not understand anything. She immediately asked Appu,
What is a centimeter?
a centimeter?
Yes, children, already we have discussed about centimeter, meter, millimeter in previous video. It is just a revision. Okay?
Is a unit of measuring length. We can measure the length of any object in centimeters, and centimeter is a unit that is always the same. Now Chanda told Appu that she understood about centimeters, but how can she use it? And how can she measure the length of objects? She still has not understood that. What did Appu answer to Chanda? And how can we use centimeters to measure the length of objects? We will see this in the next video. Kids, in this video, we learned what is centimeters and why we use it. In the next video, we will learn about some interesting examples of how we can use centimeters. Kids, in the previous video, we learned about what is a centimeter. In the previous video, we learned about what is a centimeter.
Mansi, is it audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
And
beta.
why we use it. In this video, we will learn about some interesting examples on use of centimeters. Do you remember, kids? In the previous video, Appu told Chanda about centimeter. Come, let's see what he's telling Chanda about the use of centimeters. Appu took out a plastic strip like this from his bag and placed it on the table in front of Chanda. Chanda asks him,
What is this plastic strip? And how can I use it to measure the length of objects in centimeters?
Appu starts telling Chanda,
This is a ruler. Can you see the numbers written and these lines drawn on it? The difference between any two consecutive numbers written on it is equal to 1 centimeter.
Appu then asked Chanda to collect some items from her house whose length she wanted to measure. Chanda immediately collected those items and brought them. Appu first picked up a spoon of chanda. He placed the spoon next to the ruler in this way and said,
Look, your spoon is 12 centimeters long.
Chanda could not understand how Appu found this out. Appu said to her,
Whenever you have to measure the length of any object, you place it next to the ruler in this way.
Yes, children, look at very carefully because I am going to give you one activity to measure the things. So, how you have to measure? You have to put the object near the zero. जीरो के पास हमको जो बड़ी लाइन दिख रही है वहां पर हमको अपना ऑब्जेक्ट रखना है. उसके बाद हमको देखना है कि वो कितने सेंटीमीटर तक जा रहा है. ओके, सो लुक एट वेरी केयरफुली.
And start measuring from 0. The number which is reaching the other end of your object, the length of your object will be that centimeter.
Chanda got really excited about the ruler. She immediately took the ruler from Appu and placed her TV remote next to the ruler. Chanda told Appu,
Look, Appu, my TV remote is 10 centimeters long. I learned to measure the length of objects from the ruler.
After saying this, Chanda started dancing happily. Kids, here are some items of Chanda's house. Can you tell how many centimeters their length is? If you want, you can pause the video and find the answer. Well done, kids. You have found the right answer. Chanda thanks Appu for telling her about the ruler and centimeter and puts the pile of ropes in her house in a cupboard. Kids, in this video, we learned how to use a ruler to measure length in centimeters. In the next video, we will see some common mistakes related to this. Kids, today we will Kids, in the previous video, we learned how to use a ruler to measure length in centimeter. In this video, we will
Now in this video, we will see which type of common mistakes we used to do.
In this video, we learned how to use a ruler to measure length in centimeter. In this video, we will see some common mistakes related to this concept. Chanda became very happy after learning about the ruler from Appu. She measured her spoon again with a ruler. But what is that? Chanda got the length of the spoon as 13 centimeter this time. Chanda started wondering how it happened. When Appu measured the length of that spoon, it was 12 centimeters. Then how did it become 13 centimeters?
Yes, who will give the answer? When Appu measured, it was 12 centimeter. Now it is 13 centimeter. Why? Why it happens?
मैम आयुषी बताए।
मैम 12।
Yes.
मैम
Ayushi,
बताए।
Ayushi will give answer. Ayushi,
मैम क्योंकि वो 1 से स्टार्ट कर रहा है,
तो कहाँ से करना है हमको स्टार्ट?
0 से।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड आयुषी। हमको जीरो पे ऑब्जेक्ट रखना है। तो अप्पू ने तो जीरो पे रखा था, लेकिन इसने क्या किया, 1 से रख दिया, तो इसका मेजरमेंट रॉन्ग आ रहा है। सो वेन एवर वी विल मेजर ऑब्जेक्ट, वी हैव टू पुट नियर द
What is
जीरो।
today? Kids, can you tell what mistake Chanda has made here? Yes, this time when Chanda measured the length of the spoon, she started measuring the length by 1 instead of starting from 0. So, 1 centimeter in length of spoon was added. Keep in mind, kids, whenever we are measuring the length of any object with a ruler, then we should always keep in mind that we start measuring the length by the 0 number. Chanda realized her mistake and measured the spoon from number 0. And this time, she got the length of the spoon exactly 12 centimeters as before. Now, Chanda wants to get a skirt made for herself. Chanda is thinking, why not measure her waist using a ruler too? She immediately placed the ruler next to her waist in such a way and wrote on a paper that her waist measure is 5 centimeters. Kids, did Chanda measure her waist properly? Chanda has taken the wrong measurement of her waist. Kids, if we want to measure any curved object, we cannot measure it by placing it next to the ruler, because we cannot measure its full length by doing so. Its curved portion and rear side measure are omitted, and the ruler can also break. Then, how do we do this? Suppose we have to measure the waist of Chanda. So we will first measure her waist with a rope. Then we will put that rope next to the ruler. What is the measurement of this rope? It is the right size of the waist of Chanda. In this way, how many centimeters is the correct measurement of Chanda's waist? 20 centimeter. When Chanda reached out to Babel uncle with her own measure, he also explained to Chanda about the mistake that she made. Chanda became very happy after learning this new thing. Now she measured her waist properly and got a beautiful skirt made from Uncle Babel. See how beautiful she looks in her new skirt? Kids, in this video, we learned about some common mistakes related to measurement of length in centimeters.
So how was the video? कैसा लगा वीडियो?
मैम अच्छा लगा। मैम अच्छा लगा बहुत।
समझ में आया?
बहुत अच्छा मैम।
समझ में आया?
मैम अच्छा।
Okay. Now it's time to your oral test. All are ready? Ready? अब
Yes, ma'am.
okay. अब we will follow some rules for oral test. Right? Listen to ma'am. Ma'am will call your name. जिसका मैम नेम लेगी वो अपना माइक क्या करेगा? अनम्यूट करेगा और बाकी लोग म्यूट करके सिर्फ सुनेंगे. क्लियर? इफ अंडरस्टूड रेज योर हैंड. ठीक है? और मैम जिसका नाम लेगी उसको पिन कर देगी तो पूरी स्क्रीन पे वो ही दिखाई देगा. ठीक है? क्लियर? तो ऐसा हमको नहीं करना कि नोटबुक ओपन है या कुछ है या किसी से पूछ रहे हैं. नो. सो आई कॉल बाय नेम. आई हैव नोटबुक. योर नेम्स आर रिटन देयर. ओके. Anant Verma. Where is Anant Verma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm. Yes. अब आप लोगों को स्क्रीन पे सिर्फ अनंत वर्मा दिखाई देगा. सभी को दिख रहा है अनंत वर्मा?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now mute your mic. Only Anant Verma will unmute and answer. Yes, Anant Verma. 7 का multiplication table. Ready? Okay. Start.
7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70.
Very good. Well done. Clap for Anant Verma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Now Ansh Meena.
Yes, ma'am.
और आप लोगों को इधर उधर नहीं देखना. मैम आपको देख रही है. मैम की तरफ फेस करना है तो मैम आपको स्क्रीन पे आराम से देख पा रही है. यस अनंत वर्मा स्टार्ट.
6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12.
वेट बेटा हमने 7 का बोला है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
7
7 is 11, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 30, 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 8 is 7 7 is 40, 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70.
गुड. बीच बीच में भूल रहे हो आप है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं. अनुरुद्ध जैन इज प्रेजेंट. अनुरुद्ध जैन.
क्या बोल? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
बेटा हमको मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल सुनाना है आपको 7 का मैम को.
Yes, ma'am. बताओ. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. अरे उससे आगे तो क्या है? 7 13 कितना होता है?
बेटा मम्मी का टेस्ट नहीं है आपका टेस्ट है ना. मम्मी को नहीं बताना है आपको बताना है.
7 3 is 31. मैम को देखो. 7 3 is 31. 7 4 कितना है?
मुझे नहीं मालूम. रिवीजन करके क्यों नहीं रखा?
मुझे आता ही है.
बेटा मैम को मार्क्स देने हैं और इस तरीके से आप मम्मा से पूछोगे तो मैम मार्क्स बिल्कुल नहीं देगी आपको.
सुना नहीं ध्यान से. फिर से
यस अर्जुन.
तुम्हारा गया.
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे नहीं पता।
Seven one जा
चल रहा है
तो मुझे धीरे से नहीं पता।
नहीं क्यों बताते रहे हम तुम्हें जब तुम्हें दो
Yes, Arjun.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Seven one जा 7, 7 2 जा 14, 7 3 जा 21, 7 4 जा 28, 7 5 जा 35, 7 6 जा 42, 7 7 जा 49, 7 8 जा 56, 7 9 जा 66, 7 10 जा 70.
Good. Well done. Yes. Now, Arjun, get ready. Sorry, Arpit. Arpit, are you there? Arpit Shivare is present. ओके, अर्पित की आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है. अथर्व वर्मा, गेट रेडी.
सायरा मैम.
सायरा बेटा. ये स्टार्ट.
7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 52, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70.
7 8 से कितना होता है बेटा?
52.
52 होता है.
7. Ma'am, 56.
56. Okay. Well done. Yes. Well done. No problem. एक आध मिस्टेक तो हो जाती है. Yes. आयुषी.
7 1 is 7, 7
wait
2
बेटा,
is 4.
wait. पिन करने दो मुझे. Yes बेटा.
7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 20, 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 7 is 48, 7 7 8 is 56, 7 7 9 is 60, 63, 7 10 is 70.
Good. Very good. Devaditya is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
अपना फेस ऊपर करो. आपका फेस नहीं दिख रहा मैम को. फेस ऊपर करो. Yes. Start.
7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 69, 63, 7 10 is 70.
Good. Very good. Yes. Devanshi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, better start.
7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 7 9 is 56, 7 10 is 70.
Very good. Well done. Good. Disha. Disha Prajapati is present. No response. Divyansh.
Yes. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70.
Very good. Well done, beta. Good. Yes. Ilesh is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70.
Very good. Garvit Jain. Garvit Jain is present or not? Kavish, Kushagra.
Sarah ma'am.
Yes, बेटा. 7 का सुनाओ मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल.
7 का टेबल.
Yes, बेटा.
7 का 7, 7 का 14, 7 3 का 28, 7 4 का 28,
वेट
7
वेट
5 का 34.
कुशाग्र वेट. बेटा ऐसा बोलो कि मैम को समझ में आए ना, आराम से. इतना स्पीड नहीं भागना है हमको.
7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 3 the 21, 7 4 the 28, 7 5 the 35, 7 6 the 42, 7 7 the 49, 7 8 the 56, 7 9 the 63, 7 10 the 70.
Good, very good. Yes, Kavish is present. Kavish is there. Yes, Mas Khan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 40, 49, 7 8 ja 7 8 ja
56.
56, 7 9 ja 63, 7 10 ja 70.
Good, very good. Yes, Madhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. 7 का टेबल सुनाइए.
7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 3 the 7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 3 the 21, 7 4 the 28, 7 5 the 35, 7 6 the 42, 7 7 the 49, 7 8 the 56, 7 9 the 63, 7 10 the 70.
Good, very good. Well done. Yes, अब बाकी जितने भी लोगों का लेफ्ट ट्रैक है, I will take tomorrow. Okay, beta? Those are left. I will ask tomorrow. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. मैम मैं कल से उठा सकता हूँ.
Yes, Anirudh. You can tell me tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will conclude our class with Shanti part. Join your hands. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram.
Ram Ram madam, thank you ma'am.
Madam, bye ma'am. Okay ma'am. Welcome
Thank
ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Sarah, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Welcome.